Hi dears, how are you all? Hope you all are fine there. I think you all are enjoying a novel way of learning. This online learning. Am I right? Are you excited with this online learning? Okay, very good. Anyway, we have learnt our first lesson. We have learned the first story of Tarun, written by Nisha Panjabi. How is the story? Did you like it? Who can't like such a motivational and inspiring story? Right? Yes, very good. Now children, I have a question to ask you. Which incident of the story do you consider as the most important one? Which is the most important incident in our story? Tell me please. Think of the main incidents in the story one by one. Which is happening in the first? Yes, Tarun fails in his terminal examination. Good. Then what else? What happens next? Yeah, Tarun's father calls him. Good. Then what happens next? What is coming next? Yeah, Tarun's meeting with Ram Narayan. Then, yeah, exactly. The race conducted at the Nehru Stadium, the competition conducted at the Nehru Stadium, that is the most important incident in our story. Right? Yes, exactly. The race was quite exciting. Yes. Tell me dears, what are the factors that made the race at the Nehru Stadium that much exciting and lively? Tell me. Okay, the presence of audience. Yes, what else? Yes, announcement. Announcement is the most important factor which made that race, which made that competition exciting and lively. Right? Yes. Today, we are going to discuss about announcement. What is announcement? Yes, it is a verbal or written information about an event. Right? Announcement is a verbal or written information about an event. Now, let us listen to an announcement. Please listen. Here it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Nehru Stadium for watching the race in connection with the Children's Day celebrations. The race is going to start soon. Young athletes from various schools are participating and it will be flagged off by Sri Ram Narayan, the famous athletic coach. Thank you.
Okay. Have you heard it? Have you listened? Now tell me, what are the features of announcement? Tell me one by one, please. Of course, first one is addressing. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear children, my dear students, like that, and addressing. Which comes next? Announcement tells information about mainly 4 things. Which are they? Yes. What, when, where, and who. Means What is the program? When and where is it happening or conducting? And who are included in that particular event or program? After hearing the announcement, we should have an idea about the exact date, time and venue. Now, think of the language used. How should be the language used for an announcement? Yes, the language should be straightforward and concise. It should not be confusing. And the language should be concise also. What do you mean by concise? Yes, brief but comprehensive. It should not be very lengthy, but we should have the correct information in few words. Okay. And what else? The announcement should grab the attention of the audience. Yes, it should motivate the audience to hear the announcement and see the program also. Yes. I think now it is clear to you how can we make an announcement? How can we prepare an announcement? Yes. Children, now you have a task. You please take page number 16 of your textbook. Now, here is a task for you. You please take page number 16 of your textbook. The sports club of your school is organizing a meeting to congratulate Tarun. You are asked to prepare an announcement about the program. Prepare the script of the announcement and present it. You please make the announcement and send the audio to your teacher. Please don't skip the assignment. I'll be checking it in the next class. Okay, thank you.